welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how I do this blue eye look. It's one of my favorites. So if you'd like to see how this all plays out, just keep watching. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, today I'm very excited. I'm going to be doing one of my favorite eyeshadow looks, probably, you know what, I would say of all time. I love this eyeshadow look so very much, and it seems like some of y'all also enjoy it, or like, what is that? So I am going to do my blue eyeshadow look. This is a look that I think that it's easy for me to go to even when I'm going out and I want something really colorful, but I want something that I'm comfortable with. Now here's the deal. I used to really not like colorful eyeshadow. I thought too much. It's just too much. How often do you hear like that and you want to strangle someone? Because sometimes when people are like, I think this is too much, or someone's like, that's too much, I'm like, go find less. Anyway, so hi, I'm gonna get right into it. I'm gonna use two palettes today, both from Blend Bunny. They're upside down. Blends and the All Done Up. The All Done Up, I'm using the silver from this, I'm using the blues from this. You will see, but let me just go ahead and get started. Stop talking about it and do it. Don't talk about it, be about it. Yeah. I'm gonna pin my hair back because if my hair is in my face when I'm doing my makeup, I don't know about you, but I will rage. I will simply become unhinged more than I usually am. Cool. The great part about this is that it's super simple, and these blues blend out so easily that it's like, I don't know, it's fast. I feel like it's effortless. Obviously I'm gonna be like talking through it, so it's not gonna be like, it's not gonna seem that fast, but you understand. For starters, I'm gonna be priming my eyes with the Ace Beauté eyeshadow amplifying base. I got this in some set like literally forever ago, eons ago, and it's good. Is it the greatest thing? Not really, but I'm like trying to find an eye primer that I'm like, whoa, this rocks. So I put primer on like that, and then I just take a sponge. This one's disgusting and dirty, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna blend out the primer, kind of pat it around. You could use a brush for sure, but I find sometimes using a sponge I get more even coverage, and also it's a little bit quicker, I find, for me personally. I'm gonna take it all the way out. I'm also gonna take a little bit of the primer and put it like underneath on my lower lash line, but not too low because this primer is really thick and sometimes it gets weird. It like makes your eyes look creasy like that. I also bring it out like kind of onto the temple because if I'm blending shadow out, I want it to be able to blend out there as well. Same deal, other side. Betrayed myself. No, I need to wash that sponge. Oh my god. Anyway, ignore the fact that I just smeared black like all over that. That's fine. Boom, primed, ready to go. So here are the shades that I'm going to be using. They're right next to each other. Again, it's almost foolproof. This shade, Dream, Chance, Spellbound. Is that Chance or Chase? Chance. Dream, Chance, Spellbound. Beep, bop, and boop. Gorgeous colors. I love them so much. I'm gonna take this eyeshadow brush. This is just like a Lunar Beauty, the LBE1. Taking that Dream shade first, kind of putting it like high point of the crease and then just blending it literally into my eyebrow. So taking it all the way up. Obviously building it up just a little bit, but it's this just gorgeous kind of sky blue. It's really so pretty. My eyes are a little bit swollen today, so don't mind that. I think it's because I used some older mascara or something, I'm not sure. But my eye is hurting. Again, blending it literally up into my eyebrow and even up into the front of my brow here. There's that shade. Lovely. I am going to take a little bit of Dream and put it on the lower lash line, just kind of like run it down super lightly. But this is not really super important because I'm going to be taking the other shades and making it quite dark, so I'm not really too worried about placing Dream down here. I'm just going to like swoosh it over it. So it's a bit messy, not really precise. Bye. Cute. First color's down. Feeling good. How you feeling? Good? I hope so. If not, that's okay too, buddy. All right, going into this second shade, Chance. This is like a primary blue color. It is so gorgeous and so wonderful. I love this color. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put it right into the crease. And I'm not gonna mind if it gets a little bit higher. In fact, I will take it like higher and higher and higher, but I first wanna like place it down and get it kind of built up first. This is just to give depth to the crease, give my eye more dimension. Going kind of gentle with these, especially because I'm like explaining it, but like I have to go in a little bit gentle. And then once they're like stuck to the base, it's easier to blend them out. So like that. And then again, I kind of like to take it a little bit higher and a little bit higher. Sometimes I'll bring it up like to the midpoint of like up here, but we'll see. My mood changes. Who knows how high I want to bring it today. But I like it dark. I love this look, especially dark, so I don't mind if this color kind of gets a little overwhelming, some would say. God, these just, they blend so freaking well. I have never used blue eyeshadows like the blue eyeshadows that Blend Bunny makes. I don't know what the heck is in them that make them so like otherworldly better than other blues that I've tried. I've tried so many freaking, listen, and I think that's why I didn't like blue eyeshadow before, because I was using blue eyeshadow that was like really chalky, really like not well pressed. The pigment was non-existent and it was just an absolute mess. So I think when I really tried like good blue eyeshadow, I was like, oh, I love blue eyeshadow. I think about a year ago I started really getting obsessed with it, maybe a little bit more now, because like I'm always like, oh yeah, 2 years ago I got obsessed with like green eyeshadow, but it was probably a little bit longer now. And then like a year ago I was like, oh, blue eyeshadow slaps. Anyway, those are my thoughts. Now the next part is a little bit tricky because I am going to be very careful about how I lay this down. Now this brush is very stained teal, totally fine. I'm going to use another blue. I'm going to use Spellbound, that really dark blue. Dark blue, dark blue. And I'm simply just going to stamp down on the lid. I'm not going to bring it too high, but I'm going to stamp down on the lid and then just kind of blend it. So I'm going to pack it down a little bit first, or kind of just set it down to make sure I got it where I want it. And look at that freaking color, dude. Like this dark blue, truly unmatched. Truly unmatched. Gorgeous, stunning. I am obsessed. So then after it's down, I can just like kind of blend it. Same thing on the other side, patting it down on the lid. I'm gonna lose my mind. Okay, come in. Come in then. Come in. Yeah, don't be a little turd. Lord, no peace. I know none peace. So again, just building it up as I go. Just kind of watching the placement. I just want the really dark shade kind of on my lid and then blend it into the crease. Yeah. Yep. And then I might blend these two together because Chance, is it Chance? Yeah, Chance and Spellbound blended together is just gorgeous. So the blend that happens like right in here. Ooh, kitty. What? So just like that. Stunning, gorgeous, unstoppable, incredible, talented, creative. I bring it just a little bit higher because I do like it a bit grungy. No one's surprised. Not one person. And if you are surprised, why? All right, going back to this is a B3 from Blend Bunny. I'm gonna take Chance, that primary blue color. Yeah. I'm gonna run it on half of the lower lash line. So kind of just taking it to like midway. Maybe a little bit further over actually, because I want it to be a little bit darker. So taking Chance, making it real blue. Same deal over here, Chance, pretty much all the way across. maybe like this little pocket of like light blue right there. Stunning. Oh, I love that. And now I'm going to take Spellbound and just put it on. I'm going to put some more Chance down first. Make it smoky. It's okay if it comes down a little bit as well. That's how I always do this look. Then I'm going to take Spellbound and I'm going to put it right in this little pocket right here. So it's extra dark on the edge. And that's it. I'm not going to bring it too far over. No, I'm not. I'm really not. Like that. Same thing over here. Just in this little pocket. Blending it up into this shadow that's already existing up here. The Spellbound up here. Yeah. Ta-da! Kitty! What? You want out now? Do you want out now? It's at this point that I'll go back in and try to see if like there's any place that I want to add more darkness, if I want to blend like an edge a little bit. Sometimes I will go back in with brushes that I used before and not even adding any other like shadow on them, just to kind of buff the edges. Especially too because like I'm using a tiny mirror. I can't see it all at once. I'll just go back and forth and blend and kind of just like, you know? Yeah, you know. I really like how this is looking with the blues right now, so I'm going to move to the really fun part. And that is in the All Done Up palette is the Silver Shimmer. This shade Accentuate. This one right here. Stunning. Gorgeous. I'm going to take my finger. I'm going to put a little bit on. And what I'm going to do is not pack it down on the lid. I'm just going to kind of run my finger over it to make it look like a galaxy eye. Like that's really what this makes me think of. I feel like a lot of people are like, oh my god, it makes me think of like the night sky. Same, bestie. It is like a galaxy kind of vibe with these colors and the shimmer, just like a nice wash of shimmer. It really just does look like sparkling stars. So I'm gonna take this and like lightly kind of pat it down and then just kind of run my finger up. I barely touch that silver shadow and like look at this. This is all the shimmer that I need, and I'm gonna bring it up high. Actually, that might be more than I usually use, actually. But like this. Up all the way to the brow. Yeah. Same thing on the other side. Same thing. That even might be too much, but like patting it down and just kind of blending it all out. Like so. It's really, really stunning. Oh, yeah. If I want to add a little bit more like a here or there, just kind of like patting my finger around. Boom. And you could absolutely leave it there, but because I want to add a little shimmer on the lower lash line, I'm going to take that same silver shade on a little detail brush, run it all the way across. So starting at the inner corner, and just whoop. It's really so stunning. This specific shimmer shade I think might be my favorite silver I've ever used. In the inner corner as well, bringing it up, just brings it this nice, I don't know, cosmic energy. Ah, same thing, inner corner, all the way across. Gorgeous, stunning. Oh, I love this eyeshadow look. I love good eyeshadow. Okay, that is it for the eyeshadow. That is how I do my like signature dark galaxy blue eye look. I don't know what to call it, but we should call it something. We should call it something. Anyway, I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. BRB. Okay, I'm back. This is the finished look. I love this so much. I love this blue eyeshadow. Seriously, this is one of my favorite, like, throw on a really bright color. I don't have to worry about it. I don't feel like worried about it in any way. You know what I mean? I will include all the products down below if you're wondering about anything else that's on my face. I'm not wearing a highlight. Okay, I cannot go on without a nose highlight, so I'm gonna take Transient. It's the green highlight from Noctilucent. I'm just gonna put it on the tip of my nose. I know you're probably thinking I was gonna use the blue one. Guess again. Okay, cute, I feel better. But anyway, yeah, that is all I have for this eyeshadow. I hope that if you recreate it or if you try it, please tag me. I would love to see you, like, on literally wherever. Please, I want to see. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. If you haven't already, give it a like. If you like this video, if you haven't already, also subscribe. I would love to have you here. But seriously, thank you so much for being here. And I think that's literally it. I think that's all that I have. I'm literally drawing a blank on what I say when I leave videos. I don't know if I have an official outro, but either way, hydrate, take care of yourselves, and be kind to others. I will see you in the next video. Bye!